Puis, si pas ouvert, à camper dans là. Camper là, clair. Camper là pour un monde qui peut aller là. Non, pourquoi ouais, même mon fils est clair, je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. C'est rose. Parle, ça parle rentrer à l'école. Oh, ok, clair, publiquement. Nous ne parlons pas de samedi. Nous monte tout le temps de bail, nous avons joué Bali.
Suki and Scott will give you something to laugh about. The Emmy Award-winning co-hosts, Suki Krishnan and Scott Stanford, welcome celebrity guests. Be sure to watch The Suki and Scott Show, Sundays at 5:30 p.m. Eastern on Viz TV.
Good morning. This is Nadia.
Overpaying for airline tickets? First Class Savings can save you up to 50% off air travel and more. With just one call, you can get exclusive and unpublished deals for airline tickets, car rentals, and hotel rooms around the world with no booking fees. Call the toll-free number on your screen 24/7 to get started now. Over 15% of airplane seats fly empty. The airlines are desperate to fill flights and are willing to offer big discounts to make sure they do. Our travel experts are standing by to offer you deals on flights, car rentals, hotel rooms, and travel packages around the world. No bargaining with airlines, negotiating with travel agents, or searching for deals yourself. Don't wait another minute. Save up to 50% on your next vacation without paying booking fees by calling First Class Savings now. 800-504-8516. That's 800-504-8516. Attention parents of children diagnosed with cerebral palsy, Ehlers palsy, or another birth injury. If you suspect that a medical mistake may have occurred at or near the time of birth, your 296-8617.
Migration of millions through the transatlantic slave trade, diverse and bright African civilizations flourished across the continent. These societies exhibited advanced cultural, economic, and technological achievements. The devastating impact of the transatlantic slave trade, which began in the 15th century, forcibly displaced millions of Africans to the Americas. Despite the profound injustices of slavery, African Americans forged resilient communities, preserving cultural heritage through oral traditions, music, dance, and spiritual practices. The struggles for emancipation, civil rights, and equality have shaped the narrative of Black lives, contributing to a rich legacy of resilience, creativity, and an ongoing pursuit of justice. Understanding the early life of Black people requires acknowledging both the historical trauma and the remarkable strength. Washington, South Carolina had already voted to secede, one after another. 10 southern states followed her out of the Union. With the firing on Fort Sumter, the Civil War had begun, and the North sprang on.
Santi DeCupo just became the first athlete shareholder of Kalshi, where you can trade on anything from culture to the weather.
Muy importante, parece que puede ser para optimizar el cálculo de un precio para su acción. Aparte de human errors.
This is a really exciting partnership. Trade on anything with Kalshi.
Do you feel overwhelmed by the constantly changing real estate market? You're definitely not alone. So many of our clients feel the same. That's why we work with Matters. I work with Homeline to get the best deals for my clients. Whether you're looking to sell for the right price or hunting for that dream home, let's make your real estate experience smooth and rewarding. Start your journey at homeline.com today.
These days, we're spending more time in our homes, which means we're using the appliances that make our homes run more than ever. And when one of these critical things unexpectedly breaks, we get stuck with a huge bill. Thousands of dollars of your hard-earned money gone. Don't get caught. Protect your home and your wallet with a home warranty plan from ARW Home. You can get plans starting at about $1 a day. Just call 800-240-0256 or go to getahomeplan.com.
Our AC broke down. The cost to replace it would have been around $4,000, but because we had a home warranty claim with ARW Home, we were covered. No problem.
Don't wait and get hit with a massive bill. Protect your heating, AC, appliances, plumbing, and more with plans starting at about $1 a day. Call 800-240-0256 or go to getahomeplan.com right now to get 2 months free. Don't wait. Call 800-240-0256.
A humorous take on the biggest headlines
It was a great day of jubilee. Yes, it was a happy day, but it was overshadowed almost at once by the actions of madmen wishing to avenge the cause of the South. He murdered Abraham Lincoln, and a nation was to get hard. Gone forever was the man who had presided over the destruction of slavery. Yes, slavery and the war were over. For the North and the South, it is time to rebuild, to bind the wounds of the bitter whites of the Southland. 4 million Negroes, once slaves, were now free, but free for what? Landless, homeless, they faced an uncertain future. Realizing early in the war that the freedmen needed help, abolitionists had gone south to liberated territory to aid Negroes in starting a new life. Then, in March of 1865, Congress established the Freedmen's Bureau. Against violence, Southern opposition, the Bureau, supported by federal troops, acted as the Negroes' friend in court, or set up courts of their own. Rations and medicine were distributed to both Negroes and for whites. The Bureau found Negroes jobs and supervised work contracts so that the worker could earn fair wages for his labor. Fair wages for his labor, one of the joys of his new freedom for the first time, and he and his men could live their days in decency and dignity. The Freedmen's Bureau tried to settle Negroes in rural area freedom villages. But perhaps most important was the establishment of 4,000 schools in the South for more than 250,000 Negro students as the first widespread free public school system in the South. It led to free education for whites as well as Negroes. Encouraged by the Freedmen's Bureau, the colored churches sent teachers and money to their brethren. Thousands of northern white men and women came into the South, some into communities so hostile that they were risking their lives every day to teach the Negroes. For although the Southerners had been beaten on the battlefield, many of them were determined like the one in the war. Here was to be slavery in new style. Secret societies such as the Ku Klux Klan were full to break and terrorize the Negro. At once, Negroes needed conventions to protest. Their anger at the unchanging attitude of the South was reflected in Congress. Charles Sumner and Thaddeus Stevens were two of the British champions for Negro rights in Washington. Under their leadership, Congress now passed the Reconstruction Act. It insisted on true democracy and self-government and provided military power to make sure Negroes were given equal rights in civil life. was broken. The problem of the Negro was just a dying whisper. The North had nothing to say about it. And so after the election of 1876, the protection of federal troops was withdrawn from the South. The former slaves were left to the mercies of their former masters, who within a short time wiped out the means of construction. For the Negro, life didn't seem much different from the slavery of old. But this much was certain. Having tasted freedom, he would no longer stay down. He would rise again.
Do you know what everybody else is doing? Take a deep breath and follow the flow of your finances. With Monarch, all your money, work, total peace of mind.
At Framebridge, we believe that items you frame tell your story. Since 2014, Framebridge is making it easy to custom frame everything you love, online and in a local store. Transparent pricing, beautiful designs, handcrafted using the highest quality materials, delivered to you in minutes. 3 million stories and counting. Custom frame everything that tells your story.
Well, your portfolio looks great. Have you maybe thought about estate planning for your friend here?
All there. We're all set. My friend Frida loves dogs. She says she's taking
Yeah, when it comes to passing down pet ownership, verbal agreements are one mark and no light.
He's right.
He's real.
An attorney designed a state-specific affordable document that actually counts, unlike trust and will, makes it easy.
who's a competitor to you?
Protect your loved ones and pets today at trustandwill.com. Make it count. Attention homeowners. Do you have a house that's in need of serious repairs? Do you have tenants who never seem to make their monthly payments? Do you have code violations, past due taxes, or maintenance costs you just can't afford? Then call our special Home Line hotline. We specialize in buying any home, no matter the situation. We're buying a fewer homes in your neighborhood right now. So take advantage of this cash offer and call the number on your screen today.
Just over 150 years ago, this was North, for almost half of America. On multiple bills were people picking cotton, enslavement. These slaves didn't just represent wealth in America, they were wealth. By 1863, they were worth over $40 million. Since then, America has slowly, painfully transformed as a country, breaking down racial barrier after racial barrier.
I'm very optimistic about the future. Frankly, I have seen certain changes in the United States that surprise me. So on the basis of this, I think
Hallelujah. Give me subscribe and like me. Send it to the other people for me, please. And God bless you. Honey. Bye.